Welcome to Clickly Training Camp. Hi, welcome to our second day lesson. The goal of this lesson is to make an effect of the character following the mouse. In order to achieve the effect, we need first, set a player character. Second, create a region for the character. 3. The character moves with the mouse. Please choose a favorite character from Clickly Object Editor. Click on the new project and select a model you like. Don't forget to change the default settings of your character. In the basic attributes, change the max HP to 5 and HP recovery to 0. This will make your game more balanced. Next, back to the editor interface, place object units. Click your character under the custom key values and place it on the map. Then, your character is ready now. Before starting to make the follow mouse effect, we must determine a mouse movable region. In the Place Object region, select Rectangle and left-click the mouse on the map to create a game region. Once we make sure the region size, we can add some triggers to make the region function work. Let's watch a demo video before editing the trigger. The movement of the character follows the operation of the mouse, so it's necessary to record the position of the mouse, the position of the character, the distance between them by adding the trigger. Enter the trigger editor. Create a new trigger and change the name to follow mouse. Select Timer Single Period Elapsed for Event. Set value to 3, which means the combat begins in 3 seconds after the game starts. Add a new action, select Timer, Run, Loop Timer, and set value true at intervals of 0.03 seconds. Then, add an if condition action list to determine whether the mouse is inside the region. If the mouse of the player is within the region we just created, then add a variable to record the mouse position under the if then action list. Create a global variable which name pointMouse. Type is point. To gain the world coordinates of player 1. We need one more variable to record character's position. Add a new variable and change the name to unit point. Type is point2. In order to make the character follow the mouse action, we're still gonna create a third variable. We call it real, which type is float. get the distance between mouse point and unit point. Add another if condition action list. Choose Real Comparison in Generic. If the real distance is less than or equal to 30, then the character will move to the mouse point. In order to let units know the correct direction, we need to add an angle type variable to get angle value between their points. Finally, create a variable to move the character to the position of the unit point just set. In this way, we have achieved the effect of the character following the mouse. See you next time!